In this video, we are going to obtain experimental information for a Diels-Alder cycloaddition in Reaxys. In this example, we will be looking for the reaction conditions of Diels-Alder cycloadditions using maleic anhydride as a dienophile, and then we'll explore the most common Lewis acids applied to Diels-Alder catalysis. To answer these questions, we will learn how to find information on Diels-Alder reactions, how to narrow the result set to reactions with maleic anhydride as a starting material and obtain experimental conditions, and how to narrow the result set by catalyst class. Let's review some insights about Diels-Alder reactions. Otto Diels and Kurt Alder described the reaction in 1928 and won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1950 for its discovery. It is a concerted reaction for the generation of six-membered rings through the simultaneous construction of two new carbon-carbon bonds via a single cyclic transition state. How to find information on Diels-Alder reactions in Reaxys. Named reactions can be easily found in Reaxys by searching by reaction type directly in Quick Search. Notice how Reaxys identifies Diels-Alder reaction as a chemical concept. The result preview displays several options depending on how Reaxys interpreted the query. Reaxys searched for the Diels-Alder concept in documents and in the reaction database, finding over 19,000 relevant reactions. Let's select the reaction result set to explore the results. You can see now the reaction schemes and reaction conditions along with relevant references. Please note that the reactions come from over 8,500 documents. How to narrow the result set to reactions with maleic anhydride as a starting material and obtain experimental conditions. If we only want to find information for reactions with a given dienophile, we can use the structure filter to limit starting materials. We select the filter and draw the maleic anhydride, leveraging the structure templates available. We draw the reaction arrow and transfer the structure to the filter and click on Limit To. We obtain 450 reactions, but let's focus on those with high yield for better performance. We use filters again and select thresholds to those with at least 70% yield. Now we have narrowed our set to 196 reactions. If we wanted to run this reaction in the lab, we need to obtain the experimental procedure. Rather than reviewing all the articles, we selected those reactions with excerpted information from the literature. We apply experimental procedure filter. We get 22 reactions to choose from. Let's review available experimental procedures for maleic anhydride and cyclohexadiene. Notice that the first three are displayed, and it happens that none of these have an experimental procedure. Let's expand the results table by clicking on Show All Conditions. We have now several examples to choose from, like this one coming from a patent, a low temperature procedure occurring overnight. How to narrow the result set of Diels-Alder reactions by catalyst class. Lewis acids are commonly used to increase reaction rate of Diels-Alder reactions, as well as for better control of regio and stereo selectivity. Let's return to the original result list by using breadcrumbs on the left and click on the respective breadcrumb that takes us back to the original list of over 19,000 reactions. Let's look at available catalyst classes. Click on View More to obtain the full menu. Now we review the types of active centers. Most of them are aluminium or boron based, both Lewis acids. We can select the whole class or we can select a single catalyst, like aluminium trichloride. Limit To and we obtain a final list of 169 reactions. Note how most conditions are at low temperature. The third one with a 98% yield in 2 hours. In summary, you can directly look for named reactions in Quick Search and narrow your search by relevant substrate using structure filters. You can limit your search to hits containing experimental procedures excerpted directly from literature. You can easily find catalyzed reactions by filtering by catalysts classes. You can learn everything about named reactions with the Reaction Flash app. Reaction Flash offers access to over 1,000 reactions, their mechanisms and literature examples published in peer-reviewed journals. The app has a named reaction menu where you can search for Diels-Alder. It will display the reaction scheme, reaction mechanism, and many examples for the literature that are also available in Reaxys. You can download the app for free in the App Store and on Google Play. Thanks for watching.